Authority director and is a NDC regional organization no or say NDC form famano na obey ni ye baby adru no obeto so na why ni ye na bibi akoyi kama director ma che
ya me no say tom
bibi abokode
oba de adawroma nankopon akraye
na say o ye adwuma de
national
service we adwuma
yego super oba national service asantema mu de obi abedi adanse normal echo senates senate echo things are in place o court district level there's a ye bia no yego su ayeye oba regional level bibia edana kwem enkane no nka obeba no na mofrey omuti ewie mu ewie ehye omo eno nkoda bebi ombeja omo nan anase ombegu nsuo kra na eden and a thing of the past bibi ekoso
I see
so
o campaigns o ye
me go so pa
I don't know affect adwuma no
David you see we leader one thing I also how about apportion your time so we obi a wunni emre na wunnim se na esi apportion time yes the time ye adwuma dey be how you feel and I have a system me developer me no tell you me no dey cause my share national service
hey ale
yes
what you hear kasa wunim dey
cause me no dey cause national service panie kura to for mamete panie to form sisi a wa share wa mete
okay I see
and the about leadership it's about leadership and you go
I see
yes more man you go yes some party currently me regional deputy youth organizer me ya me party adwuma se na esi se efata ubi se party fu a ba no party dwumedi a ahokaka no wo so ube adwuma mu nso a ubi se omo a ombaka jo sa ahokaka no wo so so combining the two no enya de edin bebre
okay
because we have the qualities are assessed day
okay enti se si ai national service mo nhihye de he na ye current
see me no ka say
de na ye current abitimi ABTN
see me no ka say national service last 3 weeks ago and I be your deployment of nurses.
Oh, okay.
You deploy about 18,614 nurses. As Antimantem a little over 5,000.
Wow.
Yes. Okay. Registration but there are some people who challenges. Omoko maso ya the hospitals are the omoto ya no na ehwa ya ma tina also you repost you to certain places omo na omo de deal afi na omo ye registration.
Okay,
so national service are so here with regards to postings the bibia de nakwem. Okay, bio over the mainstream which is the universities and technical universities in so na wotwi mu you be release pin codes send a bear to me I register in your national service number.
Okay,
now you to me a DG so deploy.
Okay,
there's also a bio and then addition they are messere so BBA obey national service be so be so John okay last year you be feed you so now you piece so you release a pin codes, you know. Issues to do with name mismatch, issues to do with date of birth, and other issues, baby. Because of the security features, national service, the current system in the world, you know. So within our Ghana card, so the main source document you use Ghana card. So with details on your Ghana card, and yet the same as with details with the school administration system and ENFA. Because school administration, no, say Dino Omo no, omba uploadu Ediama National Service. The moment omba uploadu Ediama National Service, no, that is a dia ye yenim. Inti the whole Ghana card no, eso no, say ne a dia a school administration ebo ebra. It means that you can't register with National Service.
Okay.
Inti mesre se sabre ya se na ebe ya won kechi na wone wonuanom afefo ebe go through the system na mu nyina ma start na pe no mesre se ubeko school authorities ugo some of the institutions they are no markasa some of the KSTU University Amstead Usted and other institutions traditional institutions no ya se eba na minor be to say be anything no double A and Omayan 1A and the school should consider and ratify it for the students. But be say ebia wudi John Mafo na tina baba o Ghana card John Mafo no wo school mo now o Ghana card so John Kofi Mafo. John Kofi Mafo is different from John Mafo. Yeah. They are two separate individuals. Okay. No to me emfa John Mafo emfa nye Kofi John Kofi Mafo. So the needful aspect also where obeso affidavit obe gazetting, after gazetting you go to NIE for them to ratify your information on your Ghana card. And so I know what me ako school ako ratification.
I see.
What the national service are? Yeah, national service are sure ye. So when you such challenges to do with name and date of birth mismatch, yeah, national service. You need to no say bet me ratify because you nimu as individual. We know the institutions. So what the institutions send to national service is what we work on. Indeed, so unya sa from no unya sa challenges na the best place to go is your school. They will direct you and yane NIE so edikasubum yane omakasa say when school for no mobile service no at the some of these challenges eba omo hwe no mo assist omo say na ebe ya omo those challenges ebetumi efiro no mo tumi nya smooth flow of registration. And with national service this year the plan is that by September 1st September you will release postings. You will release postings by 1st September. We have 1 month. 1 month, you know. You person obi obey service this year biano. Obi obey service this year biano. So 1 month, you know. SSS or do completing the registration. We have 3 centers. Your regional office, your Jubilee Park, and your University. Okay. So within 1 month, you know. As a so be a completing the registration process, so that obia bet me higher than a room precope. So by 1st October, as this will be starting the national service.
Okay.
So by 1st October, we assume that by 1st October, no, what challenges be with registration, any challenge at all, reposting anything, we assume that by 1st October, no. When we be then you are all starting your service. National service say so that you can adapt to the working environment. You can also work without discipline, without being patriotic. In the national service, last year I said the military training. This year, 1st October. Starting.
Okay.
1st October, and it will be in badges. Obi tell me military training made one before you be training. You'll be medically assessed.
Oh, okay.
You be medical assessment. Say be over to me and answer one to me. Say a soldier for a doctor for the crowd say we are fit. So we bet me military training now. Then you do go. But when you fit, you ain't found go. You know, no matter be disabled, they will not be part of the training. And the we are doing this to also give certain security training to the future working force. I
get it.
Because woko amane subebra security there every citizen I go through I go through security training. And you know issues to do with security about how to manage it. But the case is different. Case is different. And the non-national service you have to your say. Apart from that, a juma any omayimu. And a juma any omayima buying into me gas or befa obia a juma. Uncle Pio Mojumano, or Muntimin gas or Munko bet me afa. I absorb all the unemployment situation. You want to know. So what national service are you say? Within the 1 year training, we'll give you skill training. Skill training there the bema yeah the man send a bear who with service now. So these are innovations. My organizer back this year. Okay. Is it the last year?
Okay.
You know, this year, na me had my 5th August. Me sign many AG and some mining companies.
Okay.
Akabum. Almost I will and say if Nkwalano are able to do one or two things, to me abuo.
Wow.
I'm more normal to me at the asset up.
Wow.
So these are innovations we are bringing into national service.
Okay. Yeah, that's a private for the regional director of the National Service Authority and aiding common. Now, you be a branch ABI idea power. Walk off Sika who Sika on a modia bar, ne Pragium. Pragium.
Pragia. And our written this
our discanaba.
I say.
Is it a beer?
Manka politics, you can't come in for uncle.
Is a regional organizer a hopeful? It's contest, no. Oh, okay.
Director, the person is a regional organizer.
Medasi, Edika Mechia.
And as I say, I question you, then come out with the
right.
Edika Mechia, Yetiefo, especially NDC, Ma, Omajebre, and Nanopo Muti. Na Majina Quenya Wiso, na Mabo. Your branch for Abaso Oma Nanziana, your branch elections. Yeah, auditing Kakra, Ewum. Majina Kunya Wisu. No more Munyaku could look of our forms. Some more person with some NDC in fear na day in me. Majina Kunya Wiso na Mabo Mabaso. No Masi Umun cry and say, Oma Fejumapa, Omunye Jumaden and Fama Party. No, me say, party no, Ebamo minor. Afa na ntoma pa efra na o man na ba ye kraba na party no so emma no yetumi ahwemo obia awobotaye for bibia obey Fynn Emmanuel Reagan apart from say masom NDC amayoku my branch my ward my constituency for so many years in the Mabaya region. Mpempen ya me no wo kesi me a national service regional director me di akotene awosuapon a ewo region yi mu pa yi and party bia no so wo benya nyina so wo benya ahoden na wotumi ewini political victory as a organizer in the region no eyo obi oye versatile eyo obi oye strategic obetumi aboa na ama party no afa ne ntume prefer. Member regional organizer enche me de menisu ade hunu ebeba betuja.
Okay.
But menisu ade hunu no meyi ba ku mienu bi na maka ho asem ne. De ntia me pese me be regional organizer. Etia da menisu ade hunu so building a stronger organization for electoral victory and a sustainable party victory. When Amedeba building a stronger organization for electoral victory and sustainable party group. we nin hyehyɛ eti a ɛda medwumedi a mede bedi so sɛ John woba yɛ party nhyehyɛ mu a yɛwɔ party fo a ɛnɛ they are very neglected. They are neglected. Obi fa phone efro obi kura na appointee bi onfa. But you hear an organizer oba bridge this gap between appointees and a party member. You hear organizer oba consolidate your victory in 2028. Enti no meka esi su dia se Sasante Mantem NDC delegates right from the branch Echo constituency Edeba region ye here organizer ebetumi consolidate against Fynn Emmanuel Reagan. Mete party nhyehyɛ ase
87.9 Kumasi.
Party nhyehyɛ mete ase menim sene party nhyehyɛ party for edwumedie yɛ dan esitie nti many nimpa metumi aka sɛ apart from your core members your to aba omuntumi ma victory no many nimpa metumi akofa the undecided votes abeka NDC votes ewa Asante Mantem the floating voters and now me no ka say oba medwumede as regional deputy youth organizer me ye adwuma edekọ esuapon a ewo omayim wokọ hon so a nimpa no bebre ho ni nyina no nimpa no bebre enim political party ko omodom they don't have political party and then say ya me de be those very campuses me de be mo no san say no we inform their decision to join the NDC party.
I see. Tinshishia no nebema. Ebema yetimi hu say.
So
the way for her, na the way for her.
So at the end I will identify as the gap our Babefele in the regional organizer position because you say currently as we speak Isham na regional organizer. Then the 1 year, if you say, and then a touch ma, if you say, oh, Baba be correct, to fill that gap.
Isham abono home modern when it comes to organizer. The amendment they back on NSS most of times, to say they're making, most of times you center your party organization on the core party members. Fynn Emmanuel, the Mandeba when say, I'm going to bring my influence in the tertiary institutions. We are going to bring the students on board. And your other trade unions are a war mayumu. Omujumedie, and here pa a war mayumu. But he said, we call transport unions. Omo, so we are buying and now we are party. Na say this individuals cause ombetete pa yi. Nti I'm going to collaborate with them. Na say papa party ne deba aban ne deba no. Yetumi e de amon mo ne de atwe omo aba party no. Ufo ekuo bi to say teachers. They are very influential. Me to me teacher ni. Nti me wo classroom na me kira de na me pese me ma akwara ebeye NDC ni a. Aye so simple. It's so simple. My relationship with Akola and the Mayan Kolano, a bit to me, a inform Akola and say, even though my mama and my papa are this party. And so, maybe because of the men who are papa, maybe this, maybe NDC. What I'm also bringing on board, and say, the youth are the deciding factor in every relations. The youth are the deciding factor in every relations. And you bring a lot of the youth on board. You bring a lot of the youth on board. Me ebebunu. Menim bebuna ye juma metim bebuna se menim de omope. Enti de mebunu pe no eno na ye koye amomo. Obi beka se party organization eye ni eden meni eden. Ye kese ni eden a enye se wo kasa ana wo mama wa beti so na ma wuye weni yaden ikase ni yaden a enya wo mama wa beti so ana se wo kasa anyhow na cheso weni yaden ye kase ni yaden a wo ensure say the right things are done. Fynn Emmanuel Reagan me di amayose meti ache minim the electoral processor a woman and as an organizer you should know every electoral processor ye di so a woman my polling agent for so many years my electoral commission your co-hearing review committee I've been a panel in it when it comes to electoral issues when it comes to electoral issues and only idea you bet to me a day are consolidating against going forward. One, so we organizer, you should be innovative. Sir John, your party for promises are the more, any assurances are the more prior to 2024 elections. And they were waiting for us. Sir, promises na the more no, you bet me a ediso. Met me aka esisu dia say, abemu ain't mean solve all those promises. Aban government ain't mean solve all those promises. But yeah, I can defy that ye di party name no. As I say, ye bibia ye novel, bibia ye innovative. I be my party for na who say, yeah, ye ba abemu. Even though me nye abanye adwuma nye enso me nso menya me so no media me and then aban the innovate at the policies be ability say national apprenticeship program. Say it's not for nothing in the national apprenticeship program here the buy. We share the informal sector. Most of the informal sectors belong to the NDC or Mayimoha. So we have analysis. Now, we say most of the informal sectors belong to the NDC. And nunti, and also you attend more particular attention. Now you make sure say Abenjuma is not the way to go. In your party, ni beyond the Benya Abenjuma ye. Now your mom wanted here, and Sanu Juma wanted here. Now you to me so asene kakra. Ube to me the aye bibi ama wa be bibi. Sene be a dead da ekoso your party mo. Because yen to me in Solia anopa. Na yen kasa anopa bia me be mom of 500 cities. Nipa dodo a eye party for all region you. No one Solia say wo komo bia 500 cities. It's impossible. For how long can you continue giving money to people? But what trend in pano?
Molection yamoko is kasem.
Is kasem. But another minister party for say we should look out for the person who can deliver. Obi obe to me no more about from abeye ejuma because we end this in the day we be so we end this it's because NDC is in power. In the China send this in power. Ube to me I Saturday and that way you know. Baby, the answer is no. And then so ube jina teku da maso send obi ama me 1 cedi into 1 cedi na ode ama me ntino even though to me nye ejuma no but to me jina sa 1 cedi no so e de akoto abama no. The question is nimpa no wini wi a nimpa no ene all position no almost is kan. But o wini wi a wo be frɛ no kra ya asem. There is one mistake a party for ya na yeah and I'll point it out. Uko rounds are make rounds and the party executives here from Amonfa and the party for impending for you from Amonfa. Then I asked Mamus the door saying and I flame me Fynn Manfa. Also what they flower for. Then Mamen Kanto was a choir you first to take a decision in the party no and this are sent to Naba. Because Nipana party Jumano a this war. And he said one yet no one follow the structures. Now if it ko pepe je umu ko drusura e nipa insignificant number nipa kuma bi na betumi aga se menwene safo menwene me followers on but who follow who ko branch wunim de ye wo branch who ko ward wunim de ye wo ward wunim se branch wo ho e bi nipa 2 na be flow every day who ward e bi nipa 5 and na be flow every day who do constituency a e bi nipa 10 and na be flow because who suade and who nuru ho no Wunu regional level no. You can pick a large number of people, but nipa na wo de neighbor no. Onye used to picking of course. And wasa to abama ne say onko du anim. Enti oduru wa your friend ba ko mienu me kwa mabere afi de friend na no mfa bio. Yet we have gone through the ranks. Yenim senior a form no esitie. Yenim senior party nhihye esitie. Yenim senior esi relate with party people. And no and they be sumo. And enkwaya se Fynn nkwa amadwene na me de be regional organizer dabi. Ubi say baby amaye adwuma ko for krom na ubi samase. They will tell you say Fynn nkwa anye adwuma. Oye adwuma o kanipa bom. Or the nimpa na ye adwuma. And your chair region you ma de me koto manso amanse adanse. You can attest constituency for no can attest to it. Say bibia ni a enya say me free region akwenti no na me amede minim die na ye I bring them together mo na mo ha every constituency has a dynamics of all come na me ma ye adwuma dynamics in of all come no me ntumi fa ma oboasi east and west me ntumi fa ma manso dubia so let's sit down then ebetumi aya ebetumi aboa ama party adwuma na etumi akosoro then we jojo at the end of the day they do na kano na you use the aye adwuma. We did same in Adanse Asokwa. We did same in Adanse Akrofrom. We did same in Obuasi East and West. We did same in all the zones. All the zones are there too. And the results, indeed, we saw the results by. Yeah, kwa Adanse Asokwa. Ne ye sit here ba kope. Yeah, kwa Adanse Amansie. Many Alhaji Salisu, regional vice chairman. Yeah, there too on ne ye sit here ba kope. As at the time yako yede to one no the party was doubting say we were going to win New Edibiasi seat. Abrebi amena me report on behalf of the committee. And I tell them
that zone.
And I tell them all the time say ebia omo dwena adwen foforo ana ebia ye nko ho no mu hu say ye betumi elusu New Edibiasi. But I can tell them say New Edibiasi seat will be NDC will retain the seat. And any New Edibiasi Kwan seat. We made mention of Adanse Asokwa. Every year from 2000 day ba, ya tu abebi e ka ketekete nke ye wini Adanse Asokwa. Ya tu abebi e ka ketekete nke ye wini Adanse Asokwa. Nso nyame tumi nti ye call ho enam ye organizational skills ene ye dwumedi a ye ne omudi bom nti no ye tumi wini Adanse Asokwa seat. Enya honkwa Akrofrom. We have never won Akrofrom. Ever since omoti Akrofrom 2012 ye ti Akrofrom free New Edibiasi. Ye wini that. And so ye this year nisu said this year ye be wini. Obuasi West. Obuasi East. Ye bubu aba no na ye declare NDC as winners. Ye bubu aba no ye yisi presiding officer no declare no na ye declare NDC as winners. Eche na bibi foforo si ye.
Okay.
Vote in the sign. As at the time you call Obuasi West, Obuasi East. You did call Obuasi. Not the vote difference was more than 26,000. And so even the declare my MPP no, not seat difference near 19 votes. 19 votes. Into Juma den a banner for Juma party for enim say Fynn Emmanuel Reagan. A banner for Juma Yankan in Pambum and Fanya party Juma Fynn Emmanuel Reagan stands tall.
I see. Director, finally, you're bringing into about 2 minutes. Be now any delegates and Kasa Momo about no more.
Before I'm in delegates back, I have core values.
Okay.
Values are denante.
Okay. In 2 minutes now. Yeah.
Values. I believe in service. Than say, I believe in service than to lord myself over people. That is one of my core values.
Okay.
I believe in unity of purpose. Say beka edom ayeden abom. And also na the party ejuma. I believe in accountability. Menye obi a me chinchim nkofo nsa ana ye discover me say me nkoye ejuma wo constituency bi ana mentor the regional. As a regional organizer, no, I believe you will look for your resources. Other resources will also come. You should be accountable to the people. Ebio, I have integrity. So many integrity. Nka yewura John Dramani Mahama on for national service. Mama say asante mantemi na member run national service. And me call hono obi oye party ni ene asante man bia ebedi adanse say deda na e national service asante man mu no ene dede no eni obi. So that is integrity. I believe in inclusiveness. Yanka nyempambom munko awon fa wadwene emfa anye adwuma. Would you obi a view? Mobia, identify obia honde, would the kasa, kokasa, would the answer Beko for Makoyejma, would the answer the resources, member, yeah, that is, I believe in innovations. So John, Nameyadum number regional organizer. Your party for Esuno, it will be of the it will be a thing of the past. I'm telling you, it will be a thing of the past. Minimum no because my age more branch and the branch needs one minimum the also.
Okay.
So John, make me will be 2,000 Ghana cedis. No my man in Tetie and San Juma won't Tetie. Not 2,000 Ghana cedis, no, a multiple.
Yeah, definitely.
And that is what we are going to implement on the grounds.
Okay.
So that we are party ni, na say unya be juma krana wa wo de wons obey won san juma wa wo benya wo juma aye e wa bra won depending on obi. My final words to delegates and it's a Fynn Emmanuel Reagan my some party no wa ho brasim over 24 years me come in future wa I have served the party more than half of my years. I have served the party more than half of my years. And my sumpa, my sum our humblasium, Messer and Entebia, Yabeko constituency elections. You see, ye branch elections. At the Sradia Madema branch and I say, Senior party ma wo branch. And whom no my pa wo branch executive. Emu no de branch executive ma no. Sa humbrasia sum, any other sum no. Yanfanko constituency na enyi omo ye dedicated omo ye goal oriented people omo ye people centered people ombetumi age omo how ade age omo how no mo solve omo how omo mesro omo so omo constituency they should do same. And I believe say so omo ye sa na eyi competent men at the constituency. Those men at the constituency who elect competent people at the region.
All right.
Mama Maya say, you win the power, you are Bemu, and the 2028, I done deal, Debbie. 2028, you will do my and name no say. You know, no more 2028. I'm more flag bearer, even though you're so a weaker candidate. But your weaker candidate, they know they are flag, but here, as we speak, we don't have a flag bearer.
Okay, that's it.
So we should get leadership.
Thank you very much.
Whoever you didn't be as your flag bearer, no, to me a winning 2028 with ease.
That's it. Friend Emmanuel Reagan Fynn. Yes.